Hello, in this video let us solve this question. We have the square root of 16 minus x squared plus the square root of 9 minus x squared is equal to 5. And what to solve for the value of x. So to solve this solution, we are going to use two methods to solve this given question. So for method 1, we have that we are going to say that let a equals to the square root of 16 minus x squared and b equals the square root of 9 minus x squared. So therefore, if we square this then implies that a squared is equal to 16 minus x squared. And also, if we square this then implies that b squared is equal to 9 minus x squared. So with this, we then have the initial equation to become a plus b is equal to 5. We call this equation 1. And if we then subtract a squared minus b squared, so a squared minus b squared, this equals to 16 minus x squared, then minus 9 plus x squared. So from here, a squared minus b squared minus x squared cancel plus x squared, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. We call this equation 2. So from here, we are then going to express this as difference of 2 squared, which can be written as in brackets a plus b multiplied by a minus b, and this equals to 7. Meanwhile, from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 5. So this then becomes 5 multiplied by a minus b, and this equals 7. Next, divide both sides by 5 by 5. 5 divide 5, we have a minus b is equal to 7 over 5. We call this equation 3. So we are then going to add equation 1 and 3. So right here, we are going to add equation 1 plus equation 3. So for equation 1, which we have a plus b is equal to 5. And equation 3, we have a minus b is equal to 7 over 5. So adding these two equations, we are then going to have this, that a plus a is 2a. This cancels this, is equal to 7 over 5 plus 5. So 5 can be written as over 1. Next, we are then going to express this as 2a is equal to the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. 5 divided 5, 1. 1 times 7, 7 plus 25. So 2a is equal to 32 over 5. Next, divide both sides by 2. Okay, by 2. So 2 divide 2, we have the value of a is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 16. So 16 over 5. Next, recall that from here we said let a equals to root 16 minus x squared. So writing this down, so recall that we said a is equal to the square root of 16 minus x squared. A is 16 over 5. This becomes 16 over 5 is equal to the square root of 16 minus x squared. So with this, we are going to square the both sides of the equation. So all raised to power 2. So from here, we have that 16 squared is 256 over 5 squared is 25. And this equals square root cancel square root. We have 16 minus x squared. So from here, we can rearrange this equation as x squared is equal to 16 minus 256 over 25. 16 can be written as over 1, such that with this, we then have x squared is equal to the LCM of 1 and 25 is 25. And we have this to become 400 minus 256. So with this, we are then going to write x squared is equal to 400 minus 256 is equal to 144, then over 25. Next, square root the both sides of the equation. We have x squared is equal to plus or minus the square root of 144 over 25. Square root this side also. Square cancel square root. X is equal to plus or minus root 144 is 12 over root 25 is 5. And with this, we have the first and the second solution of x for method 1. Next, let us try method 2. So for the second method method 2, okay, so we have the equation that we have the square root of 16 minus x squared plus the square root of 9 minus x squared, and this is equal to 5. So from here, we are then going to move this over to the other side. So this becomes the square root of 16 minus x squared is equal to 5 minus the square root of 9 minus x squared. Next, we are then going to square the both side of the equation, or raised to power 2. So square will cancel square root. We have 16 minus x squared, and this equals 5 squared is 25. Then we have minus 10, then times the square root of 9 minus x squared, then plus the square root of, we have 9 minus x squared, or raised to power 2. So with this, we then have this given equation that we have 16 minus x squared is equal to 25 minus 10, then times the square root of 9 minus x squared, then plus square, we cancel square root, we are left with 9 minus x squared. So we have 9 minus x squared. From here, minus x squared will cancel minus x squared. So if we move this over to the left hand side, this becomes 10 times the square root of 9 minus x squared, and this equals, so if we move 16 over to the right hand side, 25 plus 9 is 34, then minus 16. So 10 times the square root of 9 minus x squared is equal to 34 minus 16 is 18. Divide both sides by 10, 10 divide 10. So we then have this equation that the square root of 9 minus x squared is equal to 18 over 10. So next, we are then going to square the both sides of the equation, or raised to power 2. Square will cancel square root. We have 9 minus x squared is equal to, so from here, we have 2 we divide 5, 2 we divide 9. 9 squared, 81, over 5 squared, 25. So we can then rearrange this equation as x squared is equal to 9 minus 81 over 25. 9 can be written as over 1, and with this, we have the given equation that x squared is equal to, the LCM of 1 and 25 is 25. So 1 we divide 25, we have 25 times 9, that equals 225 minus 25 divided 25, 1 times 81, 81. So x squared is equal to 225 minus 81 is equal to 144 over 25. Next, square root the both sides of the equation. So the square root, okay, of the both sides of the equation, plus or minus, square cancel square root, x is equal to plus or minus root 144 is 12, root 25 is 5. So x is equal to plus or minus 12 over 5. And this is the final answer to the given question. We got the same answer for the both method. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.